Yeah.
Very good evening to everyone. This is Priti Mishra, and on behalf of Fitgenics, I welcome you all on another session of Fitgenics Conversation. We mostly converse and talk about well-being across. So today's session is all about the greenery. The green innovation of workplace design is gaining momentum on a global scale. The World Green Building Council also reported that greenery in office is one of the significant elements that substantially benefits the company and the workforce. This is pertinent in the aftermath of COVID-19 as there is raised awareness about the need to protect the environment. With the onset of this worldwide pandemic, majority of us have been working from home. We are sitting and working, being digitally active for extended hours in artificial lights, in closed room. This is affecting our health and resulting into eye strains, headaches, stress, anxiety, and feeling of having blues while working. The experts and proponents of uh, the work the work ergonomics suggested that introducing green at workstation helps in boosting work performance level, and it also adds in calming and relaxing. It adds calming and relaxing effect with purifying the air, improves sleep quality, and also brings a drop in dejection and fatigue. To understand and learn it more in a better way, we have our guest today, Mr. Satyam Jha, who is going to share his inputs and innovative ideas with us. Um, Satyam Jha already, he doesn't need any introduction, but still those who are listening to us and would listen later, for them, I would like to introduce Mr. Satyam. He is the founder of Sprouted Jungle, and one of the work that he does is to segregate waste and upcycle it into beautiful planters and assemble it with indoors air purifying planters. After graduating in agriculture engineering, his passion and deep love for environment make him a well-famed organic horticulturist. He's also a writer, agriculturist, and climate activist. Satyam has been making people aware about truth of natural farming and greenery. He also works dedicatedly to fight for climate change and also towards bringing more sustainability in all the industries. He reminds people to get aware of the environment as there is no planet B. This is something, makes people very aware about environment. Just stick to the one line. There's no planet B. Just no planet B. You need to repeat yourself, and then you will
Yeah.
understand what actually he's trying to not convince. He's trying to say. Okay. So welcome Satyam on this Fitgenics conversation, and we are
Thank
so
you.
lucky
Thank you
to
for
have
all
you.
those. Thank you for all those kind words.
Thank you. You
So
truly
it's
deserve
not
that.
only my responsibility; it's everybody's responsibility to save this environment. So I must say that
Yes.
not only I, we all have to keep our efforts for nature. And as UN warned everyone that only 10 years left to save our nature, so we should act now. This is the right time.
This is the time.
So
Right.
yeah, this is the time.
So we start with the question round, Satyam.
Yeah,
Um, as per report from Human Spaces, which had
yeah.
studied 7,600 offices in 16 different countries, found that work environment incorporating natural elements have a 15% higher well-being score and a 6% higher productivity score than employees at workplace that didn't include such elements. What do you think about the health benefits of including natural elements from indoor plants, natural lights at workplace?
So see, what happens when you keep indoor plants in your office or in your home, suppose. So that cleans the toxic airborne elements like benzene, formaldehyde, toluene, trichloroethene, different kinds of toxic airborne elements. So when that plant removes those kind of elements, you can, or employees can breathe very easily, or you can say it reduce different kind of anxiety, stress, and depression. And as you said that human space have given the
Data.
um, uh, yeah, that also, that it increases the productivity of work. As I felt how what I felt that I was working in farm, so it's entire nature. So there I have felt that if you work in such environment, it makes your work ability more productive, right?
Right.
Also
Right.
it, yeah, also when what happens, air purifier plants reduce carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and other different airborne elements. So it increases the oxygen around you, and that decreases the rate of sickness, right?
Right.
So as you so when you I think that one employee should keep one plant at their desk, or more than one plant. Just like uh, you can connect it like own baby.
Very true.
Yeah, yeah.
You have the feeling
So
of connect then, right? Right.
yeah, yeah. So for an example, when I was working in a company, there I kept a plant on my desk. So I used to go to office just because that if I will not go, nobody will take care. So if and eventually it will die. So that decreases the absence rate also. So you
Yes.
can see here.
This
So
is very
this is
a valid point you made.
yeah, that decreases the absence rate, and uh, it connected me anyway, like own baby. When you grow
Right.
any plant, it feels like you are growing your own baby.
And you feel
So
like there is one person along with you that
yeah,
who is sitting with you and working with you. So you
yeah,
have left behind that person at your desk. So you must take care of and you should go every day. So that in a way it reduces the absenteeism. It's a very good point. Very nicely you have made. Okay. So moving to the next question. Experts suggest that adding plants to work environment can help to reduce the risk of sick building syndrome. How planting green indoors
hmm.
would add on healthy workplace.
So as I said that when you grow indoor plants in your home or in your workplace, it reduces different kind of toxic elements. As I said, formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethene, toluene, and carbon monoxide. So see, suppose you in your home or in your workplace, you have different kind of furnitures which is painted by some chemicals. So what happens, indoor air is more polluted than outside air. Nobody feels people feel that it's okay that we came home, we came at workplace, it's very safe. No, it's not like that. Because what happens, the air which comes inside, it circulates around the workplace or in your home. So indoor air is more polluted than outside air. So if you keep air purifier plants, it removes all those kinds of air borne elements. So that increase the breathing ability. When you take more oxygen, your body will function more. It will reduce the heart attack rates. It reduce the like BP situations, or different kind of things. Like many studies also says that it increases the blood oxygen rate also. I'm not very familiar of that, but I have studied it. So it if you work with green plants, it increases the like your health, well-being, and decreases the sickness rate.
Sickness.
Of
Uh,
course, yeah.
Very valid point again. Actually, you also understand that wherever you are working presently, I'm so sure that you have been working from home only. So look inside, see your place, your surroundings, the all the things you have been using for your workplace, like the chair you sit on, anything you use, any artificial moment, or anything that make you feels good. Look around, see and think that that particular item or that particular thing is in any way is giving you any harm, or is harming the nature, because it's our responsibility also. It's not only, the nature expert will come and it's their duty. No, it's
Hmm.
our onus, it's onus on us. So
Yeah,
each one of
it's collective
us should,
responsibility.
yes, each one of us should think about that, and even a small contribution will add and would be very impactful. Okay, Satyam, so moving to the next question. Proponents of color psychology suggest that the color green has a relaxing and calming effect. Along with that fresh air, with the scope of natural light liked by the employees, should employers need to consider it while designing the workplace?
Yeah, as you can see, when you go to any hospital, or you see any doctors are doing operation, or any nurse doing such activities in hospitals, you see those dresses are green. Why?
Yes,
Why? Just because green color itself symbolizes the nature.
yes,
So when you see any green color, it soothes ear. Sorry, eyes.
suits
Right.
eyes. Yes,
So yeah, soothes eyes. So it symbolizes nature, and of course it reduce eye fatigue. It reduce like different kind of like it
yes,
makes
you
you
made
feel
very
good.
valid point again. The
Yeah.
fatigue and eye strain. I remember many of other
Hmm.
employees suggesting me that you should conduct one session. We are feeling so fatigued. Our eyes are not resting properly. What
Hmm.
should we do? So I on my personal level
Yeah.
suggest them to include some greenery. You will feel good. Take a break. At least see them.
Yeah.
You will
Exactly.
feel good. See them. So including such green plants or greenery,
Uh,
even small, would
even
do wonders.
even nowadays, I'm seeing companies and organizations have started designing their website, designing their logos with green colors, which again symbolize nature. So even website design, even font color, even logo are with green colors or other color which represent a good feel, or you can
Yes,
say
it makes
it
you bonded.
symbolize
I think they
nature.
will connect,
Yeah,
to nature,
yeah,
and makes you feel
yeah.
bonded. Right.
So when I went to an expert for designing my Sprouted Jungle logo, he said that these things, I don't know, I'm not aware of these things. So he only told me that if you will design, if you are making a green organization kind of, so why not you design a logo with green color?
Green.
So you can see Sprouted Jungle color is mixed with
Yes.
green.
All the
Yeah.
shades and tints of green, and that is very
Yeah.
beautiful. You must log in once if you can see. And also, I'd like to add that uh, you must visit once Satyam Jha Instagram account. You will just love that, because at least you will feel like you are surrounded with plants, different kind of plants, and of course, you will get some information, some very valuable information. Just take a glance, and then you will think that why Smriti has recommended us. Do once, at least you should visit once. You will like that. I had also discovered him on saying
one more
such
thing
something.
one more thing that I want to add in the well-being, that what I felt being working in nature, because I work in complete nature. You can see I enjoy farm life. So there what happens, workers, laborers which used to work in field, they used to go for a break like for 2 and 3 hours, right? Because it's very hot and sunny days in May or June. From May to July, it's very hot and humid.
Yes.
So
I,
at that time, the workers won't work for 1 o'clock
first
to
hours.
3 o'clock, because yeah. So at that time, I used to sleep. So I used to take a power nap,
One
you can
nap.
say, for half an hour. Yeah, power nap, you can say. So that that helps my health very in a different manner. I have in before organization. I'm not that much lucky to have this kind of thing, but from last 1 or 2 years, I'm getting 1 or 2 hour break. So that helps me in that regard. So I must say that if an employee get such time for break or such things, so that also helps in
So
giving
one
a
must devote
good
some
well-being.
time, devote some time with nature, that you are trying
Yeah,
to say. Must. Okay. And I'm sure you will think upon and must visit. I think you can easily go wherever you stay. I won't suggest you to go in masses, or you must avoid, you maintain the social distancing and all, but you can easily grab some time for yourself to be with plants, to be surrounded with trees. You can take out some time individually, or
yeah,
with your do not gather the people around there and enjoying the nature, because right now the condition is, and the time won't allow such kind of thing.
yeah,
Okay, Satyam, so do you think this affects our sleep quality also?
yeah. It when you suppose in bedroom, when you keep indoor plants like peace lily, philodendron, or money plant, or like snake plant. You all know very well snake plant. It's also known as mother's-in-law tongue. So it's very popular also. Even NASA also suggested to people to keep
That's
such
great.
plants in bedroom, just because what happens when you keep such plants, it increases the humidity level up to 5%. Like it increases by 5%. So when humidity increases, air breathing quality increases.
Oh, great. Yes. Yes.
So when you sleep, you don't know, but you automatically breathe more if you don't have in
Any
compared to
breathing.
if you don't have plants, right? So when you don't have that plants, it lowers the humidity, that made the skin dry skin, dry hair. So people won't see such things, that why my hair is falling,
Yes,
why
they
my
don't
skin
notice.
becomes dry.
They,
Yeah,
yes, and they blame their age and then surroundings and then environment. These are the reasons, but this is one of the very important reasons they should think upon. Okay.
yeah. And that also like when humidity is lower, it allows viruses and germs to thrive in that environment in lower humidity. So if you keep indoor plants, it increase humidity and keep away all those germs and viruses, and makes your whole house, whole workplace very healthy.
Exactly. So people who are staying in the area where the humidity level is high, they must
Hmm.
consider this point. They must include these indoor plants. In fact, in their bedroom that you are suggesting, some of the plants that
Yeah,
you have mentioned. Okay.
yeah,
So do listen and start following, start practicing. Then only you can notice the
Yeah,
change in your health. Because the literature won't work. It never works if at all you're not practicing. Okay, so start practicing.
exactly.
Okay, okay. My last question to you is: what are the best possible ways employers can promote plans for health and
Hmm.
well-being?
So, employees can keep one or two or more than their capacity at their desk. If they travel with car, they can keep in car as well in their home. Suppose if they are going to some parties or some cafes, they can choose green cafe as well. Like we are customers and we have to choose such thing which is very sustainable. Like we need to see things in keeping the nature also in our mind, right?
Nice.
So
This concept
the
of green
first thing,
cafe is really very nice. The
yeah,
concept of green cafe that you have mentioned. Can
green.
you elaborate it if you have
So a green cafe, yeah, I worked with cafes. So a Sprouted Jungle, what they do, we suggest to cafes that if you will keep indoor plants in your cafes, the people who comes like a couple or like friends used to go there for a coffee date or like coffee party or any other kind of party. They can feel a different environment if you will keep green indoor plants rather than a plastic kind of the artificial plants,
be
right?
natural rather
So
than
yeah,
artificial? Yeah,
yeah.
that
So
works.
In Delhi, when I was working in an organization, so they have a cafe, like a kind of green office at terrace.
Yes.
So when we used to do office party, we used to go there and we invite people, and we really enjoy the having greens and DIY
Greenery.
kind of thing. Yeah, yeah.
That's really
So
great. I mean, very interesting, very amazing ideas. You even the corporate guys, when they opt for some artificial, environment and or even they have been like that in artificial lights and all they have been working. So to break that thing, you can opt for some green cafe. This concept is really very good, eye soothing, healthy for you, and of course, it will help maintaining your well-being. So I think this is a very nice idea. You should think upon again. Okay, Satyam. So the question round has gone very well, and I'm sure there is lots and lots of learning to me also, and all of us who will see and hear this conversation later on. So moving ahead, I have some straight drive questions for you,
yeah.
where you have to just answer it in yes, no, or can't say. Do not elaborate. Do not justify your answer. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The humans have an innate need to be connected with nature.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bringing nature into work can bring down the stress and anxiety level.
Yes.
The color psychology is a significant part of well-being program.
Yes.
Investing in indoor plants at work will boost work productivity and growth.
Yes.
HRs are the real gateway through which such wellness drives can be best executed.
Of course. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we have some rapid fire round,
Yeah.
and uh, I request all the participants to switch off your video mode. Okay. Uh, so let's start the rapid fire round where you have to pick any one. I'm giving you a few terms. You have to pick any one. Bouquet or aloe vera plant?
Aloe vera plant.
Interiors in building or greens in building?
Greens in building.
Views of nature or be with nature?
Be with nature.
Air purifier machine or indoor air purifier plants?
Air purifier plant.
Color psychology is effective or not that effective?
Effective.
Okay. Moving to the next session of rapid fire round. Here I will give one term or one word to you, and you have to say whatever it hits your mind. Okay. You do not have to think, just say. Environment or employee sickness?
Employee sickness.
Indoor plants? What comes to you when you hear indoor plants?
Okay. Philodendron.
Okay. Health priority?
Yeah. Like complete. Like what I can say.
Completely needed.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Attention restoration theory.
Sorry.
Attention restoration theory. That is something related to environment. That's why I asked you. Okay, moving to the next. No
Yeah.
problem. Yes. You want to say something on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Restoration theory. Video is lagging bit. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Living with plants.
Yeah. Definitely. Yes. Proper. Yes.
Proper yes. And request for all of us, because I once again repeat that this is not something that you are, doing extra. This is the responsibility and onus on each one of us. We should contribute. Each one of us should contribute, even small, but must contribute. Okay, Satyam. So with this, I'd like to end this session, and it was really very informative and very useful
Thank
in
you.
every way, because this is something that we all have decided. Actually, we all have decided to contribute, even a small, but we need to contribute for the environment. And
Yeah.
we will soon have another session with you once again, because listening from people like you, from professional like you, who have been on field, and working so much with all your heart and soul. So there's lots of learning, and we will soon do a session with you again. With this, I'd like to end this session. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you all the participants who
Thank
joined
you.
us today.
Thank you.
Thank
Even
you so much.
even
Yes.
you are doing your bit to help people, help like for increasing the health and well-being. So it's really I'm very happy. I'm glad to have this session with you, and thanks for inviting me and for this great cause for
Thank you so
delivering
much,
my
sir.
message to people and all those participants. I really thanks to all. Yeah, definitely we will do more sessions in the future.
Thank you so much for your time, and all the participants and whoever will listen to this conversation again.
Yeah,
You can always, we will be more than happy to, join with you and listen to you. You can join Mr. Satyam. His Instagram profile, you should at least once you should click on that, and you should connect with him. He's very helping and
yeah,
very approachable. Do connect with him for anything that you want related to environment, how to keep healthy, how and what kind of indoor plants will help you in staying fit and healthy. Okay, so with this all the information, I'd like to end the session. Thank you so much, Satyam, and thank you everyone who had joined
thank
us.
you,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank you. Bye bye.